Hello my people, in this video we will see how to restore a WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to iPhone. The first and the most important pass is go to the search this in Google or transcribe this page in Google. Next you have one, two, three methods for this problem. The first method we have three steps. The first, install GB recovery on your PC or Mac safely, and next select WhatsApp or WhatsApp business in the list of data type. And 3, start a free scan to preview WhatsApp backup data stored in your Google Drive. Finally, once the scan is complete, select the WhatsApp backup that you need. Here, to restore to your iPhone without overwriting your existing data, the process involves only a few clicks, is fast and hassle-free. Method 2, the official way to restore to Android standard. Step 1, reinstall WhatsApp. You install and restore WhatsApp from the Play Store. Click delete, restart, your phone number, and restore chat history. Pass 2, verify number, verify your phone number by SMS. Pass 3, grant permission, tap continue to allow access to your contacts and media. And restore. When WhatsApp detects the backup, tap restore immediately. Next, open WhatsApp and go to settings, chats, and chat backup. Tap on backup to Google Drive and select the backup frequency you prefer, daily, weekly, monthly, or never. Ensure you are synced in with the Google account where you want your WhatsApp backups to be stored. You can also include videos in your backup if you want to back up your media files as well. And finally, tap backup now to create an immediate backup of your WhatsApp data to Google Drive. Finally, method 3, fixing WhatsApp backup not found or restore failures. Fix not backup in Google Drive. Check the Google account. Are you logged into the exact same Gmail used for the backup? Even a different compilation in the mail can sometimes cause issues. Encryption key: if you enable end-to-end encrypted backup, WhatsApp will ask for your 74-digit key or password. Without this, the backup is invisible. And Google Drive settings. Go to Google Drive settings, manage apps, and ensure WhatsApp is listed and has hidden app data storage. And well, that's all. If you liked the video, and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.